How reliable are family studies in schizophrenia research? How reliable are family studies in schizophrenia research? This question is essential for understanding how genetics and environment play a role in this complex disorder. Family studies are a key method for investigating schizophrenia. They look at how often the disorder appears in families, helping researchers assess genetic and environmental influences. One major point to consider is the genetic contribution. Schizophrenia has a strong genetic component. Research shows that genetic factors account for a significant portion of the risk. Family studies help quantify this by comparing the risk of schizophrenia among first-degree relatives, like parents and siblings, to that of the general population. This comparison gives a clearer picture of how much genetics may influence the likelihood of developing schizophrenia. However, the reliability of these studies also hinges on their methodology. Factors such as sample size, data collection methods, and statistical analysis can impact the accuracy of the findings. For example, a study with a small sample size may not representing the broader population well. Additionally, biases can arise from how participants are selected and how socioeconomic status affects family dynamics. Environmental factors are another important aspect. Family studies consider shared environmental influences, such as family interaction patterns and exposure to stressors. These factors can help researchers distinguish between genetic and environmental contributions to schizophrenia risk. Understanding these influences is vital for a complete picture of the disorder. The findings from family studies have practical applications. They inform treatment strategies and risk assessments. For instance, identifying individuals with a strong family history of schizophrenia can lead to early intervention. This proactive approach can help monitor for potential early signs of the disorder, which is crucial for effective management. Despite their importance, family studies do have limitations. They may not fully capture the complex interplay between genetic and environmental factors. Additionally, biases in participant selection and cooperation can influence results. The genetic architecture of schizophrenia is complicated, meaning no single study can explain all the causes of the disorder. In the context of schizophrenia diagnosis and early signs, family history serves as a key risk factor. Understanding the reliability of family studies allows clinicians and researchers to assess this risk more accurately. This knowledge ultimately contributes to better prevention and treatment strategies for those at risk of developing schizophrenia.